In our second grow tub review, we're going to be reviewing the Flame Air 6-hole grow tub. So we'll take a look inside the box. So we've got 4 pages of growing instructions. We've got a 6-hole lid. We've got a bag with a buoy to measure the water and a scalpel. We've got some sponges for the seeds and some plastic net cups. And we've also got a 5-litre grow tub. Now on the instructions it said that it comes with an air stone, and there's not one to be seen in the box. And also there's no seeds and no nutrients. So to get started in hydroponics, I'd have to give this a thumbs down. So I guess I'll have to use my own nutrients, my own seed and my own rock wool. So I'm going to put the rock wool in the baskets. Place a couple of seeds in each. And place them in the box. And we'll put the others in a moment, and then we'll add the little buoy, and I'll add the nutrients in a moment. After 6 days, we've got some strong growth from both the loose leaf lettuce, the mixed red leaf and the Lollo Rosso. I've utilised the AeroGarden propagator domes to give them a helping hand on their way, and it seems to have worked wonders. After 23 days, all but one of the seeds didn't germinate, so I've actually planted a couple of extra seeds in just to make sure, and they're now sprouted quite nicely. So we've got some strong leaf growth even after 23 days. Not sure really about the water level, but they are developing quite a strong root system already. So the box is performing as to be expected. It's been 28 days and we've developed some quite strong growth. So I'm actually quite impressed what water and nutrients can actually do. They're probably a couple of weeks away from being ready to harvest, and some of the smaller ones are coming on too. I've topped up the water a little but haven't added any nutrients as yet. So we'll come back to this at a later stage. It's been 56 days and it just shows what you can do with a plastic box and some nutrients. So it's time to harvest the lettuce. So I'm going to enjoy